Hello everyone, welcome to MES e-learning channel. In this session, we'll be learning about some arts like Pithora art, glass or fabric paintings and how we can incorporate art with integrating with other subjects. So first, let's understand about Pithora art. So the Pithora paintings, they are usually made by the Rathwa tribes and Bhil and Nayak and Tadi tribes of the states of Gujarat and some parts of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Pithora painting got its name after the god of the tribe, that is god Pithora. They are also called him Pithora Baba. The Pithora painting, the artists who design Pithora painting, they are well trained and accountable to develop this Pithora art, and they are known as Lakharas. Now, these Pithora arts, they represent 7 horses in their pictures or in their art forms. That represents the 7 hills that surrounds the borders of Gujarat, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Mainly white, orange, green, blue, red and yellow colors are used to represent this Pithora art. They are bordered by a rectangular space and it is the representation of their god, that is god Pithora. They are the tribals people, they use this art form with the to process their marriage functions, figures of the sun and the moon. So for the representation of their social life, their cultural life, they represent these art forms. The most important point about this art is no 2 paintings are alike. So the artist make sure that no 2 paintings are alike. So the artist have a significant or a different mark to donate his intellectual and creative rights. So it is the duty of the painter to leave a different mark to denote his rights. It can be done on cloth, on paper, on cardboard, etc. Now some schools and government offices also displays Pithora paintings. It is one of the most ancient form of art. Now let's move on to glass or fabric painting. Glass art, it amplifies the beauty when the light passes through it. It is one of the most ancient form of art. Glass and fiber painting have been used widely in India as well as in Asia, Africa and Europe. It is a mode of expression and creativity of the artist. Glass is one of the best mediums which can be used in contemporary and abstract art. Some subjects like architecture, design and art, they enormously use glass paintings. We can use fiber paintings to show your creativity in your jackets, in your tops, in your skirts, in your jeans, in sarees, in suits, various types of attires. Now, glass and fabric paintings can be used up by the teachers to integrate it with other subjects. Students can showcase their visual creativity, their imagination, their skills, their innovative thinking approach, and they can implement all these thinking skills and imagination on glass or fabric. It is one of the most creative art form. Now we'll see how we can use different art forms in teaching various subjects. Let's take an example of mathematics using warli art. As we can see, warli art consists of various patterns like circle, triangle, lines. So we can use warli art to teach the students about geometrical patterns. We can use mandala art also. We can tell students to draw a circle in the center and mark it as a dot, and adjacent to the circles they have to draw 2 or 3 circles, and between each circles they have to draw different shapes. And if we rotate mandala art, it looks same. It has 360-degree rotation symmetry. So students can draw mandala art in their art file or on the way of drawing or painting or posters. In mandala art, it has vertical line symmetry as well as horizontal line symmetry. So we can make them student understands by using mandala art about the line of symmetry also. For primary classes, we can use this art form to observe the pattern and complete it. Like if teacher can give this pattern and the students will able to complete this pattern by looking at the picture, by observing the hand movement of the humans, and they will complete this pattern. So in this way, we can use different art forms by teaching the geometrical patterns in a rhythmic way to the students. As our Dr. C.V. Raman rightly said that science is the most creative form of art and all the great scientists are artists as well, as rightly said by Einstein. So, in schools, teachers should incorporate art as an important subject to teach it with the help of other subjects. Now, it is not a mere showcase or the students involving in co-curricular activities in annual day, in decorating these school corridors, in decorating the class. No, we should integrate art as an important subject and to teach the other subjects like geography, history, our culture, English, science and social science to enhance the creativity among the students, to enhance their communication skill, their aesthetic sensibility. So in this way, we can incorporate art integrated learning in our school. So that's all about use of art as pedagogy. I hope you like the session. Thank you.